Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Newentor Air Purifier with HEPA Filter. It is in 5-in-1 appliance. Wow, with a big filter system for home, for office, for everywhere. For example, smoking or rooms or areas. CADR. 218 cubic meter per hour. This is a lot of air, which comes to this Newentor NA218 appliance. That's awesome. Air purifier for allergies with Ioniser. Awesome. 99.97% of the air will be filtered with the performance of an awesome 5-in-1 filter system. It's to protect against pollen, odours, and pet hairs, etc., etc., etc. It's a strong air purifier thanks to the 5-stage filter system with a pre-filter, an HEPA filter, an activated carbon filter, and called catalytic converter, and an ionizer. The air purifier filters 99.97% of the smallest particles, 0.3 microns, and larger. This offers us a better air quality. The air filter and the ionizer. The combinations filter from the air purifier filters dust, hair, and small particles such as bacteria, mites, fine dust, and pollen from the air. In addition, the ionizer eliminates germs and odors. That's ideal for allergy sufferers, smokers, etc., etc. It is an effective filtering system. The air purifier is for home, for smoking rooms, for office and bedrooms. CADR is 218 cubic meters with high quality filter technology. Suitable for room size 40 square meters. That's large, isn't it? Yes, it is. We have to enjoy fresh air time. Yeah, in no time, because it is fast and it is user friendly. 3-stage filter performance, low, medium, and high. From the air purifier, quiet sleep mode activates a dimmed light and an operation noise of under 22 decibel. Very practical thanks to the timer with automatic shut-off function and a feature to delay the startup by 1, 2, and 4 hours. To maintain the optimal cleaning effect. The light flash after 3,500 hours of operating time to remind us to change a new filter from Newentor. But this is approximately in half year. It's okay to replace a filter system, I think though. But awesome is a negative ion generator. The ionizer releases negative ions into the air and then bind even the smallest particles into larger particles for fresh electrostatic and neutral air. And then it comes the quiet sleep mode. In sleep mode, Newentor Air Purifier works quietly with a volume below 22 decibel. This is silent, nearly silent. It offers us a good sleep quality as well as a fresh air. Yeah, it's an efficient air purifier. Strong performance, CADR up to 218 cubic meters per hour. With timer function, the air purifier automatically turns on or off after 1, 2, or 4 hours. 3 filter levels, low, medium, and high, to choose from. The ideal cleaning effect. We have replaceable filter system in it. Level 1 is the pre-filter. The pre-filter absorbs coarse particles such as hair, animal hair, skin particles. Then level 2, HEPA filter. An HEPA filter is suitable for fine particles such as dust, pollen, allergens from 0.3 micrometer from the room air. Then level 3, activated carbon filter. The Odours and various volatile organic compounds are absorbed by means of the active carbon filter. Then level 4, called catalyst. The final level absorbs the remaining impurities, such as formaldehyde, from the air. That's awesome. And it works. If you switch this device on, after a couple of minutes, you will feel a better air quality. This is your Newentor Air Purifier with HEPA Filter. It's a 5-in-1 filter system for home, bathroom, office, smoking rooms, etc. With a CADR of 218 square meter per hour. An air purifier for allergies with Ioniser. 99.97%. The air filter performance will make it good to protect us against pollen, odors and bad air, and etc. Yes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.